Welcome to the Code Servant. Hello and welcome to this video on how to become an SEO expert with real examples. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial part of any online business or website. By optimizing your website, you can improve your visibility and attract more organic traffic. In this video, we will discuss the basics of SEO, how search engines work, and real examples of how businesses have improved their ranking in search engine results in pages through SEO. Part 1. The basics of SEO. First, let's discuss what SEO is and why it is important. SEO involves optimizing your website's content and structure to make it easier for search engines to understand and rank your website. There are three main components of SEO: on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and technical optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing your website's content and metadata, such as titles and descriptions. Off-page optimization involves building links and social media presence to increase your website's authority. Technical optimization involves optimizing your website structure and code to make it easier for search engines to crawl and index your website. Part 2. How search engines work. Search engines, such as Google, use complex algorithms to determine the relevance and authority of websites in relation to a particular search query. Search engines crawl websites to gather information about the website's content and structure. They then use this information to create an index of all the websites on the internet. When a user enters a search query, the search engine uses its index to provide the most relevant results. Search engines use various factors, such as the website's content, backlinks, and technical optimization, to determine a website's relevance and authority. Part 3. Real examples of improving your website's ranking. Now that we understand the basics of SEO and how search engines work, let's discuss real examples of how businesses have improved their ranking in search engine results in pages through SEO. Example 1. HubSpot is a marketing software company that has seen tremendous success with SEO. They have optimized their website for a variety of keywords related to their business, such as marketing software and inbound marketing. HubSpot has also created a large library of high-quality content, including blog posts, e-books, and webinars, which have helped to build its authority and attract backlinks. Additionally, they have optimized their website's technical structure, including improving page load speed and using descriptive URLs. As a result of their SEO efforts, HubSpot has consistently ranked at the top of search engine results pages for relevant keywords. Example 2. Airbnb. Airbnb is an online marketplace for vacation rentals that has also seen success with SEO. They have optimized their website for a variety of keywords related to vacation rentals, such as vacation rentals and short-term rentals. Additionally, they have created high-quality content, including city guides and travel tips, which have helped to build their authority and attract backlinks. Airbnb has also optimized its website's technical structure, including improving page load speed and using descriptive URLs. As a result of their SEO efforts, Airbnb has consistently ranked at the top of search engine results pages for relevant keywords. Conclusion. In conclusion, SEO is an important part of any online business or website. By optimizing your website, you can improve your visibility and attract more organic traffic. By following the examples of successful businesses, you can become an SEO expert and improve your website's ranking in search engine results in pages. Thank you for watching.